Hey, welcome back to Curry Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make paneer bhurji. If you have paneer at home or if you don't have a paneer, I am gonna show you how you can make the paneer bhurji at home without having paneer. So for that we need like a milk. So I am just taking here around like a 1 liter of milk. Here it's boiling right now, and also I'm going to show you what ingredients we needed because it's very simple. So as we need like a chopped garlic around 1 spoon, it's like a half spoon, ginger, cilantro, and we have like a 2 green chili chopped onion, chopped tomato. I have some corn oil, or you can use the vegetable oil or anything. And also I have like a 1/3 cup of the lemon juice in here, and our milk is boiling here, so as you can see. And also we need to be ready with the strainer. If you have the muslin cloth, you can use the muslin cloth also, and if you have strainer like that, it's gonna work fine. Our milk is boiling while our pan is heating, so let's get started. First thing, we're gonna add some oil here, and also we need a little bit cumin seed if you like cumin seed. Otherwise, if you don't like it, this is fine. So we're gonna add some cumin seed here as the oil is getting hot. So we're gonna use some chopped garlic in there. Nice sizzle here. We're gonna give it a little bit stir, and we're gonna use some chopped ginger there. As it's golden brown, we're gonna throw the onion here. All this one has to be in a high fire and very quick. I like a little bit flavor of the garlic, so I like it to be a little bit golden brown, so get more flavor. So as you see, like onions are cooking here, so we're gonna add some chopped tomatoes in there. Tomatoes are getting cooked here. So we'll add a little bit salt, a little bit turmeric. We're gonna cook it again. Now we are going to use a little bit of red chili powder. It's a degi mirch powder I'm adding here. We're gonna give it a stir. We're gonna lower the fire now. Lower the fire here. Then we'll go on the milk now. As you see, our milk is boiling here, so we're gonna lower the temperature here, lower the fire. Then we are going to add some lemon juice in here slowly, gently. Slowly mix it here. As you see, like it's getting curdle. So we're gonna leave it that and check on the tomato, make sure it's not burnt. So it's nicely sauteed here. So as you see, it's coagulating here. You see that? It looks amazing. So we are going to strain it. So right here, and give it a little bit shake. Make sure all the water strained nicely. If you want to press it, press it with this, so we don't have any water. Nice. And we will go back this one to our pan. I added the green chili and cilantro in here already, mixing up. And you can check the seasoning. We need to add more salt. So it's ready to go, and you can use with the bread or rice, or you can use with the dal, rice, and the paneer bhurji. It's gonna look awesome. Paneer bhurji is ready here, and let's taste it. Wow. Trust me, try this recipe. Just tastes like an egg. If you are vegetarian, this is the best option you have. Paneer Bhurji. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. That will be appreciated. See you for the next recipe.